I'm doing good. I'm Vanna from Cheap Nails, helping you stay frugal with nail art. And in this video, I have these spring water decals, and I want to use them for fall, so we're going to turn in, maybe pick some darker ones and use them for like a fall mani. And as you can see on my nails, I have some bloody orange, I don't know why it's called bloody orange, orange nail polish that I painted on the tips of my nails. Now let's get started putting the decals on. I'm going to take my scissor, and I've picked these water decals, and every water decal has this little plastic sheet on them, and I'm not going to take it off. I'm just going to leave it on, and I'm going to take my scissors and I'm going to cut out the image that I want. I would suggest probably using small scissors to do this, because my scissors, they're mini scissors and they're still not small enough to cut it out, because I feel like it would be better if I had smaller scissors, but I don't. Now we're gonna peel off that plastic layer that I spoke about earlier. We're gonna peel that off, because if we don't peel it off and we put it in the water decal will be permanently stuck to that little piece of plastic. So we're gonna go ahead and take this water decal, and I have a cap full of water, and I'm gonna just set the water decal right in the water. I probably leave it in the water for about 30 seconds to 40 seconds for it to be completely submerged in the water, and then I take out my tweezer. I don't know why there's mascara all over my tweezer, but there is. Then I take it out with my tweezer, and I take my stamper and I just place it right on the stamper, and then I gently slide off the piece of card, and as you can see, it's stuck backwards on the stamper, so it's frontwards when you just stamp it and place it on your nail. And I'm gonna put it right in the middle of my nail. Ta-da! It's right there. Isn't it just beautiful? These water decals are cute. Now you can just push it down if it's not all the way stuck. Now I'm going to cut out just a few more. I'm going to use orange butterflies, 2 orange butterflies. I'm going to use 1 single rose with a butterfly and just 1 plain rose. I guess it's not plain, it's kind of 2 roses, but you get what I mean. And there we go. As you can see, I did the same step, and I put all of them on. I put the 2 butterflies on my ring finger and my pinky. I put the rose with the butterfly on it. And then for my index finger, I just put the plain rose with kind of like 2 roses. And now I'm just putting a quick dry top coat on to seal my water decals in, because you want to seal them in. And yeah, I think this mani is very pretty. Do you think I achieved a fall look with these spring decals? Please tell me down in the comments below. I think I did. I really enjoyed using these decals. I bought them off of eBay for $1.98, very cheap. There was like 50 of them in the pack. And I will put the link in the description where you can get these water decals. And I think they're very pretty and very easy to apply. So guys, tell me what you think down below. And on my thumb also, forgot to say, but on my thumb, I put the same water decal I put on my middle finger is on my thumb. So guys, tell me what you think down below. Tell me if you think that this is autumn, speaks autumn to you, because I wanted to make an autumn kind of fall mani with them. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Click or tap the screen to watch another one of my videos, or click and tap the screen to subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye!